Welcome to the rainy and calm Da Nang. Guess where we are here? That looks like the outskirts of Bavaria, but no. We are in the north of Soncha, and this is the Soncha Peninsula. And this here is home of a lot of interesting villas. We actually did a villa tour. You know what? I give it to you. I will put it here right next to this image. I will insert the villa video. And interesting, it is raining very hard today. The thunder hit the Antung area, and everywhere in the Antung area, like a huge block is without electricity now. Should we walk there, Marcus?
Yes, let's do it.
Yeah. A huge block is without electricity. So that comes to the next thing. If you want to rent in Da Nang, always look out for an apartment with an, what is it called?
Generator.
Generator, yes. Electric generator powered by gasoline.
Yeah.
Yeah. So be sure you have that if you want to have it always electric, especially if you, like for example, if you have a Skype call or something. But at the end of the day, even if you need to work on your laptop, you could still use your SIM card, do hotspotting. Oh my God, there's so many thunders now. Do hotspotting and have a power bank or something. Usually they fix electricity issues very quick.
Yeah, because they're used to it.
Yeah. All right, now look at how calm this neighborhood is, guys. Absolutely insane. There's so many houses here for rent. Lots of houses go out here for $500-600. Then you have villas here, everything. And there are modern ones, older ones. So much options here. But to be honest, it is the most northern tip away from the Antung area. Bro.
You have to take care of the
thunder?
shit.
Dude, okay. Let's stand somewhere.
No, let's go closer to the trees.
Do you think it is wise to stand under a tree?
It's better because when the thunder is hitting, they're always looking for the
highest spot.
Highest spot. Yeah, look at here. It's nothing on the street.
Dude, it's kind of creepy though.
It's spooky.
You know what? I will make half of the walk here, and the half will be a hotel review in the Haichao. I'm gonna visit Australian Marcus in his hotel. His name is Christian, but I don't know why you all called him Marcus. And I'm gonna make a hotel tour there. But yeah, this is the reality outdoor. The next clip will be in Haichao at the river. All right. But guys, don't forget to subscribe already. I will definitely make a whole video about this neighborhood here. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe now. We will walk here when it's not raining like crazy and the thunder's hitting everything here. 2 hours later, and just like that, it is nice again. I can't believe it. I'm now in the Haichao area. And this here is Crowne Plaza and IHG Da Nang City Center. This was a different hotel last year. It was Bay Capital or something like that. I reviewed it with David, and now they changed. When I reviewed this place the first time, they actually told me they're gonna become a part of IHG. Now we're gonna actually check it out as an IHG property. Oh, she actually showed us the hotel rooms the last time. I think this is the manager or something. But I'm not gonna walk in and ask for anything. I'm meeting my good friend, Christian, also a viewer of this channel, a viewer of my main channel, and it's the second time we meet. All right, guys, Christian just arrived. Hi, Christian, from Australia. He always likes to stay in the city center hotels, close to the Han River. It's your thing, huh?
Yeah, a little bit more localized.
Yeah.
I like that.
He also
feel
makes
better.
great photos, and like he loves to go into the small little side streets and eat all the good food. I love his Instagram. It's great. So what is very interesting here, as you know, Vocomabel is also ISG, so you can actually have a shuttle bus, a free shuttle bus from 3 o'clock. You can go to the beach to Vocomabel, and then you could hypothetically go back at 6. I mean, whatever you want, but one of those dates you can just choose and then take a grab bag. What is very interesting here, they have ice bath. How many ice bath hotels do you have? I don't think that many. The last time I saw it in Wafeifo. So you have the sauna and you have ice bath. Very interesting. They also told me that I can come and check it out myself, and I said yes, but I will see if I want to do this. All right, let's roll.
Get used to it, mate. I'm not sure about you.
Have you done ice bath yet?
Sami's walks to Sami's runs.
Yeah. Oh, you're a runner, right?
Yeah.
And a swimmer. But do you do ice baths?
No.
No?
No. Well, with the swimming is active recovery anyway. It's like you compress it when you run, and the next day you try and swim, and then it elongates you. So it's a good combination.
All right.
4 lifts.
4 lifts, 4 elevators. That's very good.
Sorry. They have a cologne in the rooms. Yeah. When they clean the room, they have a fragrance.
Yeah.
Is it a Dior? They use?
It smells like Dior.
Very similar to Dior, though.
Yeah, very special fragrance. Yeah, approved by ISG. Yeah.
Ah,
yeah.
so it's a secret.
Secret.
Secret one.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
sorry.
All right.
This is
Okay.
Sorry about that. Yeah. Okay, please.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, hi, xin chào. All right, guys. I remember this was the breakfast area here. Yeah. Hello, xin chào. So in the bath, the pool is right there. Have you checked out the pool yet? So I remember where everything was. So here's the pool, and upstairs is the gym. And I think, hold on, it's locked for safety. All right. Yeah. No, all right. Yeah. Awesome. So also I remember they had a very modern gym. Oh, they're gonna open it for us. Awesome. All right, guys. Now we're gonna check out.
Oh, the sun's arrived.
Oh, the sun is coming out again. My God. Do you think this is the ice bath? Is this the ice bath? No?
No.
Okay. Not sure what this is then. All right. Okay, guys. So this is the city center area, but you can also see from here in the high area, you can still see the Lady Buddha all the way there. Do you think you can swim here properly?
Yeah,
I think it's a little bit.
You do laps.
You can do laps.
20, 25 minutes.
Okay.
It's big enough.
All right. And you got a children's pool over here. And I'm pretty sure this is an ice bath, right? This is, yeah. All right, we can walk up there, if possible, maybe. Okay.
Today is maintenance.
Okay, yeah, no worry. We will be very careful. All right. All right, Christian. Hi. Okay, guys. I think here, this is the techno gym, if I'm not wrong. They have a pretty good gym. Have you checked it out yet? There you go. So I remember, gym is over here. There are some people in there. Yeah.
Okay. There's a few people working there.
Yeah, it's the same.
So.
I will also link below the review I did, and I checked it out. It's completely, it was empty by then. And this is the spa. All right. So you have sauna and ice bath here. What floor do you have?
26.
26.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
Premium. Premium room.
And the club lounge is lower than this, right? 24.
Yeah, that's right.
And they even have a co-working space, but it doesn't belong with it. There's a rooftop too.
Yeah, it's only open for events like the fireworks. I was just asking the guy that
Oh, got
fireworks
it.
and weddings, the big time events. So yeah, it's there, but
Car park. It's the lounge down there. Meeting rooms. I think it's still the same.
yeah, layout's the same.
And this is a co-working space. We checked this one out too in the last video. I will link it below the co-working space. And the club lounge you did not check out yet, right?
No.
So we're gonna check it out. It's gonna be afternoon tea.
I think it's a little bit of height here.
Do you have IHG status?
No.
No?
No.
But you booked the right room.
Yeah. I just booked a standard room, to be honest, and then I just sent them an email and asked them about the club lounge access,
Oh.
how much it would be. And they sent me back 1.2 mil, so I said, right, yeah, let's do that. And in turn, upgrade your room.
Oh, that's awesome.
So all of that. So, yeah, I'm not quite sure. It's Australian 170,
Okay.
including breakfast, cocktails, and a high tea.
Alright.
It's fragrance. Tell me, do you feel the same?
Oh yeah.
See?
It smells very good here. Oh, it looks it looks like big brand hotel. Yeah. And this is my shoes here. My God, thank you so much, Christian. You brought me the shoes I looked out for in most likely 5 countries. 5 countries, seriously. Hong Kong, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, yeah, I think Cambodia. I checked it out too. Couldn't find
You
them.
worked hard for them. They're here now.
And now I'm finding, and again from Australia. Those shoes are all from Australia as well, already. Dude, but this view here is beautiful. Look at this. This is the other side. You have a sunset over there. Then this is a huge government building. And then the Novotel. This is where we met last time.
Yeah.
And we reviewed the Novotel last time. I will also link this below with Christian, the Novotel. So you're gonna stay here? You're gonna stay at Caro?
And then back to Novotel.
And then Novotel?
Yeah.
And then,
and then.
are you gonna make a YouTube video out of the review? And I can link it down below too.
I'll do one of the Hoi An. Hoi An's a silk sense. I'm down there for 4 nights. And there's nothing of any like real good video quality down there at Hoi An, and I think it should be worthy of something a bit special. So I might do a video on that.
That's awesome. If you have it, then I will link it down below or share it. That would be cool. I'm not sure what this is here.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a
I don't know,
moat.
a moat.
A moat.
Okay, let's check out. Do you have? Okay, so you have
You can do a test on the bed.
a toilet view, actually also to the ocean. Here, the bed,
There you go.
comfortable. Big TV here, LG. Hopefully a smart TV. If you add it, don't forget to subscribe. What do we have here? We got a mini bar. We got a Nespresso machine. We got a rope. Okay, awesome. Probably also safety box. Yes, laptop size safety box. A mirror over here. A bathtub, toilet, bum gun, check, and a shower. Very spacious. 2 sinks. Amenities. Yeah, this is what you expect from an IHG hotel, right? So, and one-time use slippers, not those stupid community slippers. And you even got booze here. Interesting. Hoi An Spice Road Gin.
I like that aspect. It's nice. It's a nice aspect.
Yeah,
Of an afternoon.
I think it's a beautiful look here.
Yeah.
Probably at night as well. All right,
Go check out the lounge.
let's check out the lounge.
Oh, yeah.
It's very quiet here. All right, so you can actually, if you have lounge access, you can also breakfast here. That's very interesting. All right, guys. Xin chào.
2611. Come on.
All right, guys, look at this. So last time I was here, it wasn't that ready yet, but now it's all done. Beautiful lounge, very bright. You have some seating over here. The MacBook is still there, the iMac.
Come on.
And this is the food.
Yes. Some
Oh, okay, okay. So there's only tea at the moment, no snacks.
Yes, the tea and the soft drink. We have the coffee.
Mm.
Then you can see the menu and order the coffee.
Oh, you can have coffee and you have snacks now, right?
And the snack, though, I already order for you.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yes.
cool. All right, you even got some beer and wine here. It's also complimentary, right?
And the
And then
wine
tea.
start at
5 o'clock. Okay, so you can only drink after 5. But you got some marshmallows here and a little banana and some nuts. Awesome. Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, right.
I'm gonna get a drink first. All right, guys. So we can choose now what we want to have. I'm gonna take a coconut coffee, and we're gonna get a high tea, like a little snack thing, and we're gonna go right after. So beautiful story here is Christian made this beautiful photo of a man in Hue last time, when he was in Hue, and now he printed it out here in Da Nang, and he's gonna give it to a staff member here in the hotel, and she's gonna bring it to Hue, and she will give it to him in a frame.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely love it. All right, we're getting prepared for the afternoon tea. All right, guys, the first coconut coffee has arrived. There is already coffee in there, but they also give you extra coffee to pour in more if you want to. This is beautiful. A beautiful detail here. It looks very good. I'm gonna try it out. Very nice. Oh, beautiful. Very coconutty. Yeah, it's a beautiful view. Christian's gonna get his camera now, and then he's gonna make some photos of whatever is gonna be there now. All right, guys. So we got our afternoon tea package here. We got a croissant with salmon. We have some spring rolls and some sweets and pudding and stuff like that. All right.
Dig in.
Dig in. And show me your beautiful camera here.
Oh, yeah.
So what kind of Leica is
That's
this?
a Leica Q3.
Q3?
Yeah, it's good for street and it's good for food when you travel. It's lovely.
All right. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next one. This is how we say it, right? See you in the next one.
See you in the next one.